Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Power BI with Stripe and Shopify data, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Power BI account. Navigate to the Home tab on the Power BI desktop interface. Select Get Data to open the data connection options. In the data source options, choose Web to connect to online services. For Shopify data, enter the Shopify API endpoint in the URL field. Make sure to include your API credentials as parameters in the URL. Click OK to initiate the connection to Shopify. You might see a prompt for authentication. Select Basic Authentication and input your Shopify API key and password. Once authenticated, click Connect to import your Shopify data into Power BI. For Stripe data, repeat the process by selecting Get Data again. This time, choose Web to link to the Stripe API. Enter the relevant Stripe API endpoint, similar to the Shopify connection. Include your Stripe secret key for authentication in the URL parameters. Click OK to proceed with the connection to Stripe. Authenticate using Basic Authentication again, entering your Stripe secret key. Hit Connect to bring the Stripe data into Power BI. After both connections are established, you'll see your datasets in the Fields pane. You can now start creating visualizations using the combined data from Shopify and Stripe. Make sure to set up relationships between the datasets if necessary. This will allow for integrated analysis across both data sources. Leverage the variety of visualization tools in Power BI for your reports. It's crucial to refresh the data regularly for ongoing accuracy. You can automate the data refresh settings in the Power BI service for convenience. Once your report is ready, save your work in Power BI. Consider publishing your report to the Power BI service for broader access. With these steps, you have successfully authenticated Power BI with both Stripe and Shopify data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.